Hey everybody, it's back on me. Not really doing much, hanging out, watch TV. I'm gonna show you my little dog, Scruffy. Look at the cute little puppy. Yeah, look how cute that is. Yeah, that's only one of my pets. Yeah, pretty much. I skate a little bit, as I told you before. I got a little plan B. It's so fucking sexy. Turning out trucks, plan B. Pretty nice, I guess.
Nice catch, Mr. Mosby.
It's my room. Computer. All broken skateboards. My TV. I don't know if you guys want to watch this. And for me.